Hey everyone, Aiden here, and I'm here with my cousins. Oh my god. We're riding in the back of the truck. We're about to go see some animals. Wait, where are we going, guys? I have no idea.
I don't know.
We're gonna go
over there.
over there?
No,
okay.
over there.
Oh, we're going over there. Say goodbye.
Bye, house.
Bye.
I don't know where Papa's taking us.
Neither do I. He's in there.
I don't know which house. No, not that one. I think it's this one.
Look at this.
Aiden, look at the snake right here.
We're out in the country.
Look. Record it. Record it. It's right there. Do you see it?
No.
Oh, you just passed by it. You see it?
No, I don't see it.
We'll show you in a minute. Come back.
Okay.
When we come
We're
back,
coming over here. Oh, we're coming over here. Can't wait to say hi to Nicholas. Are you guys fellow YouTubers? Or no?
No.
Are you a YouTuber? Are you a YouTuber? Are you a YouTuber?
Yeah, I am.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
Here we are. Hi, guys.
I just
Where's Nick? Where's that little Nicholas? He owes me $10. Okay, guys, we're gonna see some animals. Let me get off the truck and I'll get back. Hey guys, okay, we just got off. We just got off the truck.
Come on, guys. Come on.
Oh yeah, y'all wanna go see the animals, right?
Bye. You have to come too.
I'm coming. Y'all ready to see some animals? Oh, look at those chickens. You guys see them? Here, I'll zoom in. Chickens. I'm trying to zoom in on the chickens. Ay, ay, ay. You guys see them? Right there. Right there. Okay, y'all want to see a donkey? We'll go see a donkey. Look at this place. Dang! Doesn't that look like a rusty old Jurassic Park truck? Let me go look at it closer. It looks like a rusty Jurassic Park truck, whatever it is called. Jeep.
I'm going back to the car.
Hey, donkey! Aw, dude! If you were to smell this right now, you would be disgusted. Really? You want to see the donkey?
Come closer.
Dun, dun, dun! It's a donkey. I know.
You won't let us touch it.
You gotta go up to it. Put your
Yeah.
hand out and touch it. Touch its nose.
I'm going to try
Touch
touching
his
its
hair.
fur. Got him.
See?
Dude.
He's watching us.
Bruh.
No.
I'm just.
Bruh. Oh.
Can we touch his head?
Bruh.
Touch it.
Bruh. Bruh. Bruh.
How come this
Bruh.
car's down here?
I don't know. Y'all see those cars?
Are donkeys mean?
No, they used to be really
Does it have
passive.
mange?
Are donkeys mean?
No, he's not mean.
Hey. Who are you? I don't know if it's a boy or a girl.
I hope it's a girl.
It's a boy.
Oh. It has little stripes on its back.
There's a lot of poop out here.
Oh my god! Ah, so much crap.
So much trap.
Focus on the donkey's nose. Focus on his nose. Ah!
Aiden, look, come here.
Yeah?
That's horse poop right
No, that's donkey poop.
there. That's horse poop.
Dude, it smells disgusting over here. I'm gonna go over here. I'm gonna go see the
Oopsie.
donkey. Hey, donkey. Hey, donkey.
Donkey likes to be pet.
But it's a donkey. Donkeys are cute.
The horses are way down. The horses and cows are down there.
How come?
Yeah. I don't know why. Zoom in on the donkey's eye.
What lives in that thing right there? That house?
It's a
Probably.
barn.
Yeah. Hey, donkey. Aww. Guys, he got closer to the fence. Aw, it's okay, donkey. Donkey. Okay, come on. Come on, Jasmine. I have another cousin named Jasmine. What's your mom like? Tell us. Is your mom and dad divorced?
Yeah.
Really? Yeah. Hey, do you guys want to see some chickens again? You want to see some chickens? There's a chicken right there.
Where?
Right in front of me.
I want to see some.
You should have seen your face. You're like,
Aiden, you want to stay here for a little bit?
yeah. Look at those chickens. Let me zoom in. Try to touch it.
You touch it.
No, you try to touch it.
You touch it. No, don't ask me.
No, I want the camera to see it.
You touch it.
Okay. You have to come with me.
In there.
They're cute.
Would a chicken snap at us?
Yeah. They're friendly. They follow us. They want to go inside the house.
Come on. Let's try to pet it. Hey, chicken. Hey, chicken. Hey, chicken.
Okay.
I touched it. I touched the chicken. Okay, I'm gonna try it again. Give me a chicken.
They're like for you to. They're like for you to pick them up. See?
Aw, I just touched the chicken. Hey, does the donkey have a name? Wait, what's his name?
Noni.
Noni?
Like money. Noni.
Nice. Look at it. It's going inside the tree.
Yeah.
Chicken!
There's Potter right there.
What?
You could have touched it. Like, you're gonna Potter because she couldn't back out.
I had this in my hand.
Good hold it.
Here, hold it. Follow me. Follow me. You getting this? Yeah. I'm giving it to a chicken. Come here, chicken. Come here, chicken. Chicken! It's a wild chicken chase. Wild chicken chase. I have to approach her really slow.
Come over here. She wants to follow you. She's not gonna pick on you. See, she's just eating bugs.
Dang it! Dude, keep recording. Is it still recording?
Yeah.
Dang it, went under there. I'm not gonna risk going under there and risk it falling on me. Okay, it got out. Okay. Get close to it and gotcha!
It jumped.
I know. Dang it! I hate it when it goes under and stuff.
6 forever.
Go back to the tree. Go back to the tree so I can pick you up. Dang it!
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Chicken! 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 Okay, I have to be real careful.
Get it.
Chicken! Ah! Come here, chicken. Chicken.
You're never gonna get it.
Come here, chicken. Come here, chicken.
Go slowly on that.
I'm trying. Dang it. I was about to
Where's that other little thing?
Make sure it's still recording. in
It's
case
not
I
recording.
lose it. Huh?
It's not recording.
Yes,
I'm
it
just
is.
kidding. Look, things are down there.
We have to wait for it to come out. Hold on, hear me? I'm gonna pause it. But guys, there's a rooster over there. There's a rooster.
Giselle, come
Look at that rooster. Look at him.
What are those other little things?
He looks like an adult lion. It looks like he has a mane. Okay, come on, come on. There's a chicken. Okay, get it. Get the camera. Move. Just come move. Ow. I'm gonna try doing that.
Mommy!
Can we check it?
I touched it. I touched it.
Come here.
Sorry, I wanted to touch it.
I'll let you touch it if I pick it up.
I definitely
I almost did. Ah, got it. Are you getting this? Are you getting
That's funny.
I got a chicken! I'm holding a chicken!
Rambo Aiden.
Yes!
Ooh, you hear that?
I got a chicken! I'm the best!
You want to see a rabbit?
Yeah.
Let's go over here and see the rabbit.
Okay, give me my phone. Oh my god! Did you guys see that? I caught a chicken! I caught a chicken!
Help you put that stove on the
Oh my god. Oh my god. That was so cool.
See him right there?
Where's the bunny?
He's in the box. He's right there in the box.
I see him. No, I want to see him. I can't zoom in on him. It's too dark in there.
Too dark in there?
Yeah.
He's over there in the box.
Nick!
You see him?
Nick! Nicholas! Nicholas! Can you hold this while I try to catch another one? Follow me.
Which one's the one you caught?
I think it was that one.
Some are real easy. Some are real easy to catch and some are not. And if you chase them, they don't like it. See, if they let them come towards you, they'll
Get
take Aiden's face too. Because then his dad's going to say, no, you didn't. It's just on my hands.
Don't take a picture of the chicken.
Yeah, and the one of the genies, the dog tried to get her and her little
I'm making a
leg
video
all
for my
limp.
YouTube channel. So that's why I told him to hold it.
That's your chicken.
I know. Hey, chicken. Chicken. Jasmine, come here. I'm going to try getting that chicken. Hold it.
You wish, Aiden.
I already caught one.
Mommy!
You're scaring it off.
There's the rooster. I can't go near it during the rooster's here.
Why?
The rooster's going to attack me.
Look at Look at those things. You see those like things right there?
Yeah, I see them, but I don't know what they are.
Those are. It's gonna attack you, Aiden.
Come on! Come here! Chicken's under there.
Yeah,
You have to wait for it to come out.
That's what I'm scared of.
What? The rooster?
Yeah, I think the rooster's gonna attack us.